Hi everyone, I'm Teja, and in this video I want to discuss about for loop. And for is an keyword and also called as an iteration keyword, and the actual work of the for loop is it is used for iterating over a sequence, where the sequence it might be either a list, string, set, tuple, dictionary. It is depend on the data type. Whatever the data type is taken from the user, and after that, and the syntax of the for loop in the form of the for item in. Okay, I will give and for I in. Okay, and here item in, where the for is an iteration keyword and the in is an keyword, but the item which is given by the user. And I can write item also like Teja, and I can write as an R or Raja, anything you can write, and I will write as an I as an item. And after that I want to print by name each letter like T E J A, by line I can use this for loop like Teja is in string, so I make a mark, so print I, and I will execute. So you can see that T E J A, and the Teja is in string, where the first element of the Teja will be assigned to the I element, and after that it will be go to the next one like E, and the E will be assigned to the I element, and the I element will be print, as you can see in the line of the code. And it will be continue up to the n, where the n is dependent on how many string elements are given by the user. And I can also add the integers in between the string, because all will be taken the string, like okay. Yeah, you can see that, yeah, from the T to D, like A B C D E F, yeah, A B C D F. And I can also give the list, and before the list we have to be declare a list, and I will declare here like L is equal to list of list of anything like apple and ball and cat. And the list is an and in list we can assign the different type of data types, so I will assign the 7 and the 144 and like 7.81, it is a float. Okay. Yeah, now I will give in the for loop like L. Yeah, you can see that apple, ball, cat, and 144 and the 7.81. And if you want to print the type, you can use the type of I. Yeah, sorry, print. Okay, type of I. Yeah, you can see that the apple is in string, and the ball is in string, and the cat is in string, and the 7 is int, 144 is int, and 7.81 is float, because it has a floating decimal point. And we can also give an tuple and dictionary, it is depend on the user. And it is all about the for loop. I hope all are clear with the for loop. Okay, thank you.